Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM. A centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. The Upload feature is a central administrative function that allows administrators, managers, moderators, and contributors to upload digital evidence in your portal's library. VIDIZMO DEM allows you to upload videos, images, audio, documents, and other digital media in your portal's library. Once uploaded, the video is transcoded into multiple formats and renditions. This ensures that the content is accessible and plays across a wide range of devices, under any bandwidth condition. In this video, we will be taking a look at publishing evidence in VIDIZMO DEM. From the portal's homepage, click on Upload Evidence, and select the evidence file you want to upload from your device. You can also upload multiple evidence at the same time. Once the evidence has been selected, the upload progress of the evidence can be seen through the Evidence Upload tray. Once the evidence has been uploaded, you can see the evidence listed first on your portal's homepage. You can apply settings to the evidence, as per your needs. Click on the Overflow menu of the evidence, and select Settings. From the Basic Settings tab, you can choose a title for your evidence, select a category, and assign tags to it. You can add a brief description, select a thumbnail, and add the author's name. You can also choose to save the evidence file as a draft. From the Publish tab, you can choose a player template, allow viewers to share evidence, download evidence, write comments, view evidence insights, and can also enable 360 view for evidence, if your evidence has been recorded at a 360-degree angle. The Access tab allows you to choose who can access your evidence, such as all portal viewers, or anonymous viewers. You can also password protect your evidence to prevent unauthorized access. You can increase your evidence's visibility and make it easier to search by assigning custom attributes to it. From the Time Data tab, you can set captions for video and audio evidence, in the language you prefer. By the way, artificial intelligence generates captions automatically, or you can also choose to upload a transcription. The Sharing tab allows limited sharing for evidence. You can make the evidence available for a specific time and can share it with specific viewers, groups, and external viewers by sending them a link to the evidence. You can also limit the number of views per viewer by defining how many times a viewer can play back the evidence. Once you're done choosing the evidence settings, click Save and Close to apply the changes. Additionally, VIDIZMO DEM lets you replace published evidence, without changing the original name or the link of the evidence through the Re-upload function. Select the evidence you want to re-upload and click on Re-upload from the drop-down menu. Drag and drop the evidence you want to re-upload from your device. The settings selected for the original evidence will be retained on the new evidence. You can re-edit the settings as per your feasibility. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.